Ever wondered how you can transform your car interior into a luxurious starlit setting? Imagine you're driving under a clear night sky, and the same breathtaking view is mirrored right inside your vehicle. Sounds incredible, right? Welcome to the magic of the Star FX Luxe Liner. The Luxe Liner is not just a product, it redefines automotive interiors. Brought to you by the innovative minds at Redefine. It's a game changer, a conversation starter, and above all, a way to make your car uniquely yours. At the heart of the Luxe Liner is cutting-edge fiber optic technology. This isn't your average car accessory. No, the Luxe Liner is something entirely different. It's an experience that brings the mesmerizing beauty of a starlit sky right into your vehicle. Every fiber optic strand in the Luxe Liner is arranged to mimic the natural shimmer of a star, creating an ambience that's both soothing and spectacular. But it doesn't end there. The Luxe Liner offers an array of customization options, whether you want shooting stars or a birthday constellation. The Luxe Liner makes it possible. It's all about creating a personalized starlit experience that's as unique as you are. And once you've tailored your Luxe Liner to match your vision, experience hassle-free installation by certified Redefine dealers with the Luxe Liner. It's more than just an upgrade for your car. It's an elevation of your entire driving experience. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Make every journey a starlit adventure with the Star FX Luxe Liner. It's time to transform your car interior into a canvas of stars. The night sky is waiting for you.